Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up user recordings in Heatmaps with Crazy Egg, full guide step by step clearly. To set up user recordings in Heatmaps with Crazy Egg, start by visiting the Crazy Egg website and signing into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by clicking the sign up button. Once signed in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see the option to add a new site. Click Add a new site and enter the URL of the website you want to track. After entering the URL, click the Add Site button. Next, follow the prompts to install the Crazy Egg tracking code on your website. You can do this manually or use a plugin if you're on platforms like WordPress. To manually install, copy the provided tracking code. Then, paste it just before the closing /head tag of your website's HTML. If you're using a plugin, follow the plugin's instructions to configure it with Crazy Egg. After the tracking code is installed, return to the Crazy Egg dashboard. It may take a few minutes for Crazy Egg to start collecting data. Once data collection begins, navigate to the Heatmaps section on the dashboard. Select the desired URL for which you want to create a heat map. Choose the type of heat map you wish to generate, click Heat Map, scroll Heat Map, or other options. Click Create Heat Map and wait for Crazy Egg to compile the data. Once the heat map is ready, you can analyze how users interact with your site. To set up user recordings, go back to the dashboard and find the Recording section. Select the URL for which you want to record user sessions. Click Start Recording to initiate the tracking of user activities. You may customize the settings by selecting the session duration and user criteria. After configuring, click Save to start the recording process. Now Crazy Egg will capture user interactions on the selected page. You can return to this section to analyze recorded sessions at any time. To view heat maps and recordings, simply click the corresponding sections on the dashboard. Review the insights provided to optimize your website for better user experience. This guide will help you utilize Crazy Egg effectively for tracking user interactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.